Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting essentials, class syllabi, assignment due dates, and the time you actually have each day. Next, estimate each task in realistic blocks, 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, so planning matches effort. Once done, pick one consistent study window when you're most alert. Mornings, afternoons, or evenings all work, but keep it stable. Make sure to note fixed commitments first, then slot study blocks around them. This creates a practical, immediate. Now you transfer estimates into a weekly grid, Monday through Sunday with hourly slots, and color code each subject for quick scanning. Prioritize tasks by deadline and difficulty. Assign harder work to your peak hours and easier or review tasks to low-energy times. Add short 5-15-minute breaks after 45-60-minute blocks and schedule 30-60-minute weekly reviews. Also, build buffer time for interruptions so the plan survives real life. This reduces stress and keeps momentum. You implement the timetable and commit to trying it for 1 week while tracking what you finish and actual time spent. After 1 week, compare planned versus real, then adjust blocks, shorten, combine, or move sessions to fit your rhythm. Make sure to keep 1 day with lighter load or recovery so you don't burn out. If things go wrong, swap tasks between days, reduce session length, or add a buffer. That simple troubleshooting keeps the timetable useful and sustainable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.